Your Health is brought to you in part by Intermountain Healthcare and the Utah Department of Health.
Hey, welcome back. It's time for a Check Your Health, and this time we want to talk with the Executive Director with the Alzheimer Association. We have Lynn Miner here, and we also have Ronnie Daniel.
Right.
Thanks a lot for stopping by.
Pleasure.
10 early warning signs of Alzheimer's. What are they?
So the first of the warning signs is one that probably people most often associate with Alzheimer's disease, and that's memory impairment, memory loss.
Forget where you leave the keys?
Right.
Or?
Well, in some cases that's normal. I mean, we all forget things.
That's what I would think.
We stand up and walk into a room and forget why we went in. That's normal. But when you find your keys in the freezer, or you can't remember that recipe that you've known for years and years and years, those kinds of things are troublesome.
Okay.
Right. Also confusion. If you notice your parent or your grandmother suddenly becoming confused, it may be a warning sign.
Yeah, we have some of those listed on the screen here. For memory loss, we talked about that. Completing familiar tasks.
And understanding visual images. If you're walking across the floor and the pattern changes and people get confused by that, that might be another warning sign.
Now, can this happen at any age, or?
It can. Typically, it happens as we get older, though. The most significant factor in Alzheimer's disease is aging, and so it happens typically for people that are older.
Now, another interesting one is changes in your mood and personality. Too.
Right, yeah, and withdrawing from social activities. So if you notice that your parents or grandmother suddenly becomes a little bit more withdrawn, it's a good idea to just check in and to be sure and get a proper diagnosis.
Now, we know there's been a lot of research and a lot of headway made with Alzheimer's, of course, but what kind of help is available, and are we better at it?
Yes. The Alzheimer's Association has a 24/7 helpline, and they have excellent resources to be able to, you can call at any time. Just if you're noticing where to get these, where to get a proper diagnosis, and also where to, get some support and some caregiving issues.
And it's important to know that Alzheimer's disease is the 6th leading cause of death in our country, and it's the only one of the top 10 that doesn't have a way to slow, cure, or even prevent the disease. And so, while there's a lot of research happening, we're still not quite there yet. And it's important to know that research is continuing and needs to continue.
Yeah, it sure does. Yeah. All right, and what's that hotline number? There's the website.
Right.
ALZ.org.
Yeah, and the hotline number is 1-800-272-3900.
Okay. Thank you very much. We appreciate you stopping by.